Justice happens in America, bathed in sunlight. It's what makes us great. We are open, we are public, we are accountable. We've talked a lot about this in the Idaho student murder case, partly because of this gag order. It's been in place virtually since Bryan Kohberger was arrested. And then came the issues of cameras in the courtroom, and we were worried there'd be nothing. Fortunately, there will be a live video feed of the trial. And I should add that the state and the defense, both of them, they pushed and pushed and pushed for the gag order. They got it. They pushed and pushed and pushed to oppose cameras in the courtroom. They didn't get it. Both sides routinely file motions to keep their other motions sealed, and the judge agrees. But now something has gone sideways. It's flipped. The defense, Bryan Kohberger, is claiming that all of this secrecy, which it helped to bring about, has apparently gone too far. Kohberger's lead attorney, the public defender, Ann Taylor, right there, she is asking the court to unseal a motion from a few weeks back that concerns their real, Hail Mary bid to have the indictment dismissed. The defense has claimed that the evidence was weak and the prosecutors were shifty and the legal standard was wrong, and the judge has said, sorry, too bad, no. But now Ann Taylor wants the judge to reconsider the decision and the motion that was initially sealed. Well, now she wants the public to see it. This is what she has written. I'll just read her words. Mr. Kohberger sought sealing of his filings solely based on email communications with the Latah County Prosecutor's Office stating that they wanted the filings sealed. The deadline for Mr. Kohberger's motion was imminent. Thus, in an abundance of caution, the defense filed a motion to seal. Well, now, however, she writes, Mr. Kohberger acknowledges the right of the public to be fully informed on the issues. What the heck is going on here? We already know that a hearing on that motion to reconsider this whole indictment, that's set for January 26th. It's supposed to be in private. Is Team Kohberger going to ask to open up that too? I really hope so. I'm going to bring in Skye Lazaro on this. She's a Utah criminal defense attorney, currently represents Corey Richens, the mom accused of poisoning her husband with fentanyl. But this is a different story, Skye. I want to know your thoughts as an attorney. Is this a strategy of some kind by Bryan Kohberger's lawyer? I'm trying to figure out what's in it for them to start open up the process now.
Yeah, Ashleigh, it's interesting. Defendants have a Sixth Amendment right to have an open public trial. In this case, where there's a full gag order, the only way to get any information out there or your narrative out there is through court filings. And court filings are usually public. So you'll see beefier statement of facts sections and argument sections so that they can try to push their narrative and, perhaps, level the playing field based on whatever's filed.
So this is where I come in on that. Bryan Kohberger has been dragged through hell, right? The blogosphere, the internet, the podcastosphere, TV shows have all shown this guy, and whatever evidence we know of so far has not looked good for him. Like, it's looked horrible. Wouldn't the time to get your narrative out there have been like, I don't know, in the last 13 months since he's been locked up for that long?
Yeah, it's interesting to wait till now. And especially where they both argued to have it sealed. You don't get it both ways. You don't get to say, we don't want to hear what the victims' families have to say, or we don't want to poison any potential jurors that way, and then turn around and say, but we'd really like it to be public now, Judge.
So what do you think they're doing? Do you think, and I just have a couple seconds left, but what do you think this is about? Suddenly Bryan Kohberger wants us to know what's up. Do you think this is an effort to maybe reach out to a jury pool that's going to be picked in the next 6 months to say, look, I'm not such a bad guy. I want transparency. I want you all involved. I'm not a secret dude.
I think probably, and I think the basis of her motion included allegations of prosecutorial misconduct and insufficient evidence. And, I think this is their way of saying, look, the state's done it wrong. Now it should be open. He has a right to a trial. The other thing you have to consider is this is a death penalty case. So you better argue everything, because if you don't, it's waived on appeal.
Well, thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.